Okay, for the STAAR practice, we're going to look at some sample STAAR questions from fifth grade where we're looking at order of operations. We're going to use brackets and parentheses, check for those for step one. Step two, we're looking for multiplication or division, going from left to right. And then step three, we're looking for addition or subtraction, going from left to right. So here we have brackets, but then inside the brackets, we have multiplication. So the first step, we have subtraction and multiplication. So step one, we're going to multiply. Step two, we're going to subtract inside the parentheses. And then on the outside, step three, we're going to multiply outside the brackets. So 2 times 1, 2 times 1, and then 2 times 2. Then rewrite the expression. And the number outside means that's going to be multiplied. So step one, we're done with that. Step two, 4 minus 2 is 2. Then 5 minus 4 is 1. And so we're done with step two. The last thing we're going to do is multiply. So 4 times 2 is 8. And 4 times 1 is 4. There we go. So which one has a value of 25? So we're going to check each one of these to see which one is 25. So quick math, just looking at this, 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 divided by 4 is 5. We're looking for 25. So 50 times 10, 50 times 10 is going to be 500. And then 500 divided by 5 is going to give us 100. So this one equals 100. This one equals 5. So we got to check each one of these. 10 times 10 is 100. And 2 divided by 2 is 1. So 100 divided by 1 is 100. So it looks like the last one's going to be here. So 32 plus 18 is 50. 2 times 50 is 100. And then 100 divided by 4 is 25. So we're looking for brackets and parentheses, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. So here we have brackets and there's parentheses. So step one, we're going to do this. Then we check for multiplication. Step two, we have multiplication. And then step three, we see subtraction. So you're going to add these together. 13.2 plus 3.8. So 8 plus 2, carry the 1. 8 plus 2 is 10, carry the 1. 3 and 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. Then bring your decimal down. So you got 17 times 8. Here's step 2 times 8. 8 times 7 is 56. 8 times 1 is 8 plus 5 is 13. And so we're done with step 1. That was step 2. Now we go to step 3 and then we subtract 6. Okay, 90 boxes of glue sticks. Each box has 36 glue sticks. So 90 boxes times 36. And then we're going to put all the glue sticks into bags and give them to each student. And that's 6 in a bag. So it looks like we're going to multiply 90 times 36. Then after you do that, then we're going to divide it into groups of 6. Parentheses, 1 times 10 is 10. 3 times 1 is 3. 6 times 0.1 is going to be 0.6. And then 1 times 0.01 is going to be 0.01. So you got 10 decimal 00, 3 decimal 00, 0.60, and then 0.01. So now, there's 2 decimal place values, 1, 2. So then you do 1, 2 over here. And then you do 1, 2 over here. And then decimal 1, 2 over here. So add all those up for your total. You're looking at 0.4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we got 0.9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we're looking for 36 that are double shaded. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, number 7, brackets and parentheses, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So step 1, step 2, we're going to divide. Step 3, we're going to add. So that's all inside the brackets and parentheses. And then step 4, we're going to multiply. 7 plus 5 is 12. And that's times 10. 12 divided by 3 is 4. And the last question here, inside the brackets, we're going to go with the parentheses here. So 55 times 7, 35, and 35 plus 3. So we got 625 minus 385 divided by 8. Step 1, step 2, step 3. We got 240 divided by 8 for the answer.